Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Decentreland being on the cusp of booking 10% gains in the next 24 hours. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on all the trends in the cryptocurrency space. Looking at Decentreland today, we see that already the 55-day simple moving average has been breached around $2.46, and price even already topped $2.47 to the upside, but is retreating a little bit now. Expect possibly to see a further squeeze to the upside, as you can see, with the low end coming in higher each time since almost a week now. So expect further upward momentum and see a second test around that $2.56 handle. So at least, even if bulls or traders want to enter here, there's already a 4.95% solid trade on the table there. Put your stop below this trend line here, and then already you are in for a pop to this level. Even if it fails to break it, even then you can still book for roughly 5%. But of course, investors will want to stay in for a bit higher up, and that is, of course, then 10% comes into play with this 55-day moving average. Why so important? Because of the fact, if we look here, it already created here break technical support here, then through here, bounce off, pushed it further to the downside. So the 55 from time to time is quite important and bears some weight in the equation on Decentreland's price action. So expect it first to be a sort of a cap to the price action, but depending on the tailwinds present, it could well be that it pushes further on, and then we could even see a pop all the way up towards this monthly pivot at $2.86, which would bring it actually back to the opening price almost we had on March 1st. The $3 at 78.6% Fibonacci level, that will be only should those positive tailwinds be present, due to the fact that a big risk element has been taken out of the equation. So for example, a breakthrough in the P stocks or anything like that, that could see a break above this $3 handle and above this Fibonacci level. But for the moment, as the uncertainty factor still needs to be calculated in, expect price action to ramp up around this area, but I don't see it continuing anytime further soon. Should, like I said, with all these geopolitical stresses, should there be any push to the downside because of some negative headlines, expect then a pair back all the way to possibly either this triple bottom at $2.22 or even a drop towards the monthly S1 or $2.15, which is the beginning of the Fibonacci level we have laid out since the beginning of around the beginning of November. So that's it for Decentreland. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street.